Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Victoria and I'm so happy that you guys are here with me today. For you, my first time viewers that are joining me for the very first time, welcome. I'm so happy that you guys are here today. Guys, welcome to Smoothie Funday. Today I'm making another delicious, tasty smoothie what will keep you full all day and that will help you to lose weight, not to mention good for your skin. The whole works. Fiber, protein, have it all in this amazing delicious smoothie. I am making oatmeal smoothie. This is my old-fashioned Quaker oat because I love Quaker oat, and this is the old-fashioned, and I'm using this to make my delicious breakfast smoothie today, what can last me throughout lunch and to when I'm ready to have dinner, whichever time. Okay guys, so let me begin by showing you all my ingredients for today. So guys, these are all my ingredients to make my amazing oat smoothie. I have maple syrup, organic. I have vanilla, Benjamin vanilla. I also have banana, because you have to use a banana. Cinnamon, oat of course, if you have oat. Almond milk, some sea salts right here. And my collagen, because I don't like to have my collagen, that's optional for you. You don't have to use collagen if you don't want to. Some people also had butter, like peanut butter in their oat. I won't have peanut butter because I don't like peanuts. So this is all to make it. These are all delicious. When you have this cinnamon gives you so much energy. You know, banana already, all the amazing benefits with banana come with. And oat, of course, you already know that oat is high in fiber. You know, almond milk, what is good for, because I always tell you guys all those already. So let's start make this amazing smoothie right now. Voila! Okay, so first I'm going to put my oatmeal in my blender. And you use the blender to just have it much finer, so it's just gonna blend by itself with no liquid.
Keep pushing you away while I want you to stay. I'm amazing, cold as ice, but my heart still beats.
So now that we're taking care of all of that, now the fun begins.
Really have what it takes. I guess so, I guess so. I guess so, I guess so. I am a queen, I need my king. Are you better not to sin? I think so, I think so. I think so, I think so. Okay, let me just be honest with you. I want you. And okay, I've been running circles all the time, but I want you.
This is so tasty. It tastes so good. As I said, you can have peanut butter or almond butter, whichever one you want to have in it. I chose not to have any butter, and I'm not a fan of peanut anyway. The vanilla is so good. This vanilla, Benjamin vanilla, is a product of Jamaica. I saw it in the supermarket, and I think the type of vanilla is that's the real deal. It's not a watered down vanilla like some vanilla, you know. You can just taste vanilla. Oh, and also my collagen. Because you know how much I love collagen. If you want beautiful glowing skin and you want to just look much younger and tighter skin, fresher skin, collagen, you must always have collagen in your meal, and also the caps, but I take them both. I take the caps and of course make collagen powder This is from Amazon. They ship to me every single month. Yes, I will never be out of my collagen. Beautiful skin, glowing skin, collagen. This is amazing. The cinnamon, wow. So good, guys. Anyway, this is all that I have to say for today. Can't wait to see you guys in my next video. If you're new to my channel and you're not yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up and share my videos with your friend and tell them to hit the subscribe button. And well, leave me a comment because you know how much I love reading comments. I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Remember to check my description box below for all the info, of course. I love you guys. Mwah.